So affiliate marketing is dead, and most gurus are teaching an outdated model that no longer works. But the 2% that are actually succeeding and leaving their 9-to-5 jobs are doing this. Now, I've been doing affiliate marketing since 2019, and the moment I shifted from the old affiliate marketing model to the affiliate stacking ecosystem, everything changed for me. That was the moment I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job as an engineer to go all in with my affiliate marketing business. Now, I was able to tell my boss respectfully, I'm putting in my 2 weeks and I'm no longer gonna be working that 9-to-5 job. Now, the affiliate stacking ecosystem is the center of my affiliate marketing business, and that's how I've built a 6-figure per month online business. Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and I help people that are sick and tired of their 9-to-5 jobs achieve financial and time freedom. Now guys, I've been blessed to help over 10,000 people that are sick and tired of their jobs start their passive income businesses absolutely from scratch and to start their journey to leaving their 9-to-5 jobs. Now here's the thing guys, the old way of doing affiliate marketing still works and will always work. But the problem is with this outdated model, more and more people are using this and it's becoming less and less effective, and it's becoming harder to become successful with this outdated model. Now, I started teaching people that are sick and tired of their 9-to-5 jobs my affiliate stacking ecosystem, which has led to many people leaving their 9-to-5 jobs. Now, it's really important that you create this ecosystem that's gonna not only help you quit your job for the short term, but it's gonna allow you to have a business that's gonna last for a lifetime. Now, have you ever felt like you're stuck in this rut of working a job you absolutely have no passion for? Like you're in this vicious cycle. You get up, you get ready, you drive 2 hours to work, you drink a cup of coffee, you do mindless tasks for 8 to 10 hours a day, and then drive another 2 hours in vicious traffic, only to get home to feel tired, unaccomplished, and no passion to go to work the next day. The only reason you do this again and again and again is because you have bills to pay. Now, you don't have any real desire to work a 9-to-5 job besides providing for your family, and you're looking for alternative ways to make money online, but you're not exactly sure where to start. You want to get out of that 9-to-5 job, but there's so many options out there, right? Amazon FBA, there's crypto, there's eBay drop shipping, affiliate marketing. Which is the best way as a 9-to-5 worker that doesn't have very much time and that has a family? Now, this is exactly how I felt when I was stuck in this 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer, and obviously I had a baby on the way, and I just wanted to get out of this. I wanted to have financial and time freedom to spend with my family. Now, this is why you need my affiliate stacking ecosystem, and I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you need this and why you need to implement this as soon as possible. Now, the first reason is if you build this business out the right way, it will last forever, meaning it will stand the test of time. You don't have to worry about building this business and worrying that it's going to die one day because of the ecosystem you're building. For example, if I were to lose my YouTube channel, my TikTok, my Instagram, all my social media followings, I would still have a thriving business because of this affiliate stacking ecosystem. Now, the second reason is you'll have the ability to promote multiple products, but doing it the right way without hurting your business, without hurting your integrity, and at the same time helping your customers get the result they want. Now, the beauty of this is this gives you diversity and allows you to make multiple streams of income every single month, and this is why I love my passive income affiliate marketing ecosystem. Now, third and the most important is this business will allow you to create a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. If you build this business out the right way, you'll be leveraging the most powerful platform on the planet, the internet, and you never have to create your own products. And this is how you create that passive income. Now, I want you to take a minute and close your eyes. Now, I want you to imagine how your life would look like if you can finally tell your boss, I quit. How it would feel like to wake up every single day knowing that you never have to do something you are not passionate about. How it would be to have complete financial and time freedom to do what you want to do and when you want to do it. And think about everything else that would fall into place, such as creating generational wealth for you and your family, and how you would be able to teach your kids that they do not have to go to college if they don't want to. They can take their life in their own hands just like you did. Wouldn't that be a complete game changer? Now in the next video, I'm gonna be showing you exactly how you can start implementing the affiliate stacking ecosystem, and more importantly, how you can start getting results as fast as possible. This is the first video of a 6-part free video series I'm doing, so make sure to look out for the next video. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can get results with this affiliate marketing ecosystem. Now I have some major news if you guys are serious about quitting your 9-to-5 jobs and creating a life of complete financial and time freedom. In a few days, I'm gonna be launching Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, and I'm gonna be taking a handful of students who are interested in leaving their 9-to-5 jobs. Now, I would love to help everyone with my new affiliate stacking ecosystem, but here's the thing, guys, it's hard to help so many people. I find it way easier to have a small group of people that I can get them actual results. This way, everyone gets the help and the support they need to be able to leave their 9-to-5 jobs and put this affiliate stacking ecosystem together correctly. Now, this is gonna be a rare opportunity, and spots are granted on a first come, first served basis. Now, if this is something you're interested in, then I'm gonna leave a link down below, and it's gonna give you access to my early bird waitlist. Just add your name, phone number, and email, and you'll be added to the list. Now, everyone on that early bird waitlist will get access to the registration link before it's released to the public the next day. So guys, make sure your name is on that early bird waitlist. Again, I'm gonna leave a link down below. Just fill out your name, number, and email, and you'll be added to the list. And again, this is gonna be a first come, first served basis, so make sure you're on that list so you can get access before the program is actually released. That being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is going to be the first video of a 6-part free video series on my affiliate stacking ecosystem. If you guys have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to get to you as soon as possible. Or you can send me a direct message on Facebook or Instagram if you want. Now, this is really important. As I mentioned earlier in this video, in the next video, I'm gonna be showing you how to actually start implementing the affiliate stacking ecosystem and how you can start using this to leave your 9-to-5 job. Stay on the lookout for the next video, and thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys, and God bless.